We are back again with even more cruise news for you today. I have some Disney Cruise Line and Thanksgiving news, as well as an update from Carnival Cruise Lines. We'll get into both of them right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to another video. Alright, let's start with Disney Cruise Lines. Disney has announced that they are going to have a brand new ship float this year in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. The float will be named Magic Meets the Sea, and of course it will be inspired by Disney's brand new cruise ship, the Disney Wish. It's supposed to have 15 different characters on board, use all of the Disney Cruise Line colors, and should be a really great addition to this year's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I grew up watching the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. It's one of those kind of family traditions where we turn it on every year while you're cooking, getting ready for the big meal. You always have the parade on TV, so watching all the different floats go by. So I'm really looking forward to seeing the newest one from Disney this year. And it is going to be on NBC Thanksgiving Day from 9 to noon in all time zones. So if you want to see Disney's brand new float, check it out. And now on to Carnival Cruise Lines. All right, so this one was predicted. We saw this one coming. A couple days ago, Celebrity Cruise Lines changed their vaccine policy to allow for mixed vaccines. Right after that, Royal Caribbean changed its policy to allow for mixed vaccines. As we predicted, this was going to move rather rapidly through the cruise lines, and now we have Carnival Cruise Lines has announced that starting on October the 24th, they will also be accepting mixed vaccines. On Carnival's website, they will have a list of all of the vaccines that can be mixed, which combinations go together. So if you want to book a Carnival cruise and you have mixed vaccines, definitely go over to their website and check it out and see if you fall under that new mixed vaccine policies. And look, this is just more good news, especially for our cruisers out of Canada. The U.S. border between us and Canada is fixing to open up. It's going to allow fully vaccinated individuals to come on over, visit family, visit friends, drive to a cruise port, take a cruise, and sometimes that can be easier than catching a flight down, or you may just like to drive. So now you'll be able to come across the border. Now the cruise lines are starting to accept mixed vaccines. So just great news, especially those that have the mixed vaccines, which of course is our friends up in Canada. So it's almost time for y'all to come on down and get on a cruise ship and join us out there on the high seas. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this quick cruise news video. If you have, do me a favor, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.